Greetings. We are currently looking at Sutter versus Tether on a monthly chart. And one of the first things we recognize is the symmetrical wedge, where we see higher highs and lower lows being formed. There's no clear indication of trend in terms of being bullish or bearish at this time, because bullish would see higher highs and higher lows. Bearish, you see lower lows and lower highs. And right now we see higher highs and lower lows. So a symmetrical wedge is being formed. Now, as far as the data is concerned, each bar here represents a month's worth of trading day. Each candlestick represents a month's worth of trading data. So the current month, as we see, is green, which is the month of August, appears to be bullish. For the past 3 months prior to that, we see 3 bearish candles. Each are red candles. So one of the things that we also notice is that this current month's candle has already taken out the previous high of the last candle, which was July. So that's another indication of bullishness. Not only is it green, but it also took out the high of the previous month's candle. Now, let's not spend too much time looking at the monthly. Let's actually go down to the weekly and see if we can find another area of support, or area of resistance, should I say, actually. Now, the first thing that I see is that we're going to have an area of resistance right here. So if price actually breaks this area of support and stays above it, that will be another level of confirmation as far as the larger time frames are concerned. But just because we see those larger time frames as almost certain or more closer to certain confirmations, these confirmations tend to happen in the lower time frames much sooner. So let's look at it daily. So here's our low. Here's our most recent low, most recent swing low, lowest swing low, should we say. And here's some of the highs that we saw previous to it. Now these highs here, which you can see were where price was clearly rejected. The first time it was tested and broken was right here. And then new highs were created where price was rejected once more. And then guess what? That same new high was actually tested and broken right here with this candle. And what's the next thing that we see? Is that price again tested and actually broke through right here on this current week's candle. So on the lower time frame, we definitely have some bullish confirmation. On the weekly time frame, we are approaching another level of support, which may be broken. If it is not, then we would be looking for another rally downwards, another sell-off. But if it is broken, we can continue to look forward to price continue climbing on the upside. Okay. So, peace, y'all. Hopefully this information was helpful.